Okay, folks, this is question number 18, taken from an OCR higher tier past paper, looking at solving quadratics by the method of factorization, okay? So as to solve this quadratic equation, factorization, x squared minus 6x minus 24 equals 5x minus 3. Step 1, I want to make the quadratic equal to 0, okay, before I solve it at all. So I'm going to subtract 5x on both sides, and I'm also going to add 3 as well, okay, simultaneously, okay. So I'm going to add 3, you're doing it to both sides, okay, to balance each side respectively. What do I get, guys? Well, I'm going to get 2x squared, okay, minus 11x minus 21, okay, is equal to 0, okay, minus 6x minus 5x makes minus 11x, and then minus 24 plus 3 gives you minus 21, okay? It's not equal to 0, okay? I can obviously factorize this. You do it into double brackets, okay? Now, how do I make 2x squared? Well, 2x squared is made by doing 2x times x, okay? Now, I want two numbers that add to make minus 11, and the same two numbers here that obviously times to make minus 21. Obviously, one of them, yeah, is being doubled, okay? So factor of 21, guys, yeah, are going to be 1 and 21, 3 and 7. Now, it's likely, yeah, to be 3 and 7, okay? Because it's unlikely, yeah, that I can obviously make 11 from 1 and 21. Okay, so how is this going to work? Well, if I put minus 7 there, and then plus 3, okay, because 2x times minus 7 makes minus 14x, and then plus 3x makes minus 11x, and then plus 3 times minus 7 makes minus 21, negative 21. Okay, so now I'm going to say, yeah, each bracket equal to 0. So either 2x plus 3 equals 0 or x minus 7 equals 0. So from the first bracket, if x equals minus 3 halves or minus 1.5, or second bracket equals 0, so or x is equal to positive 7, okay, or just 7, okay. So you set each bracket equal to 0 and then obviously solve each linear equation here obviously separately. You get x is minus 3 halves or 3 over 2, minus 1.5 or minus 1.5, or x equals 7, okay, x equals positive 7. And they are my two solutions to the quadratic equation reading 2x squared minus 6x minus 24 is equal to 5x minus 3. And that was the method of factorization, okay? Obviously, yeah, it's a harder quadratic here because obviously, yeah, this number here is bigger than 1. Okay, but because 2 is a prime number, okay, the only way to obviously make 2x squared is by doing 2x times x, okay, and then the rest of the year was obviously done, yeah, by obviously trial and error, okay. Yeah, there is like a more of like a fun method here to obviously work it out. Other than this, obviously by factorization, yeah, that's how we factorize a non-monic quadratic where the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1, i.e. in this case is greater than 1. Okay, thank you very much.